Here the consumer is indifferent for all this combination as long as the total utility of 5 rupee coin and the total and the 5 rupee notes remain the same. For the consumer, it is hardly whether she get a 5 rupee coin or 5 rupee note. So irrespective of how many 5 rupee notes she has, the consumer will sacrifice only only of only one 5 rupee coin for a 5 rupee note. So these two commodities are perfect substitute for the consumer, and indifference curve depicting this will be, there will be a straight line. In the figures in 2.4, it can be seen that the consumer sacrificed the same number of 5 rupee coin each time he has additional 5 rupee note. Monotonic preference. Consumer preference are assumed to be such that between any two bundles x1 x2 and y1 y2, if x1 x2 has more of at least one of the good and no less of other goods compared to y1 and y2, the consumer prefer x1 x2 to y1 y2. Preference of this kind are called monotonic preference. Thus, a consumer preference are monotonic if and only if between any two bundles the consumer prefer the bundle which has more of at least one of the good and no less of other as compared to the other bundle. Indifference map. The consumer preference cover all the bundle. The consumer preference cover uh, over all the bundle can be represented by a family of indifference as shown in figure 2.5. This is called indifference map of the consumer. All the point on indifference curve represent bundle which are considered indifferent by the consumer. Monotonicity of preference imply between any two indifference curve the bundle on the one which lie above preferred to the bundle on the one which lie below. Features of indifference curve slope downward from left to right. An indifference curve slope downward from left to right, which means that in order to have more of the banana, the consumer have to forego some mango. If the consumer does not forego some mango, with the increase in the number of banana, it means the consumer having more of banana with the same number of mango, taking her to high indifference curve. Thus, as long as the consumer is on the same indifference curve, an increase in banana must be compensated by fall in the quantity of mangoes. Slope of indifference curve. अच्छा ये सब indifference curve for the perfect substitute. Indifference curve depicting two commodity which are perceived substitute is a straight line. A family of indifference curve. The arrow indicate the bundle on a higher indifference curve are preferred by the consumer to the bundle on lower indifference curve. Slope of indifference curve. The indifference curve slope downward. An increase in the amount of banana along the indifference curve is associated with a decrease in the amount of mango. If delta x1 is greater than 0, then delta x2 is less than 0. Higher indifference curve give greater level of utility. As long as the marginal utility of commodity is positive, an individual will prefer more of that commodity, as more of the commodity will increase the level of satisfaction. Representation of different level of utility from different combination. Combination ABC, quantity 1 2 3, quantity of mango 10 10 10. Consider different